What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another GridVids episode. Today we're going to talk about the Rad Mini and break down what this bike's all about and hopefully help you guys decide whether or not it's the bike for you. So starting out with the collapsibility of this bike, it actually goes from a small size bike to a really small compact bike, more than I thought, until my buddy Jared broke it down and showed me what this thing does. And honestly, this thing, when it is collapsed, you could put this thing into a trunk of a car, the back of a truck, like the cab of the truck, or inside of a camper, inside your kitchen pantry, underneath your bed. I mean, this thing really does get to be small. One thing I was skeptic of, because of the framing hinging in different places, I was afraid that it would create weak points, but honestly, when it's together and the hinges are closed, it doesn't rattle, it doesn't feel loose. I mean, it locks in place, so it doesn't feel like a bike that's gonna break if you take the thing off of a jump. So it has a really great cruiser slash BMX feel. It's light, and I could really see this thing being a competitor to the Rover. If you're a guy of my size, see, I'm 5'11", 190 pounds, and it feels comfortable, but yet not too small. I would think if you're over 6 foot and a couple hundred pounds, you might think that this bike's too small. You know, it's tough these days within the biking community, especially with these e-bikes. They have so many different types of bikes that fit every single niche out there. And I mean, you really have to break down what it is that you want in a bike, what you do mostly of, what type of riding you're into, and then kind of break it down from there. If you know what you want, then find an e-bike that's going to fit the style of riding that you have in mind. Where does this fit? Well, you know what? If you're in a freaking dorm, if you live out of a trailer, if your house is too cluttered and you don't have enough room to put it someplace, if you don't have a garage, or if you do have a garage and the garage has already got so much stuff, if you plan on taking your bike places and all you have is a car and you don't want to have to get a bike rack, this bike could be a solution for you. It's a great bike, and all in all, what I was skeptic on was the fact that it's got breaking points in the frame that allows it to fold up, but yet it feels super sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's going to break at the hinges. The lightness of it and the small tires are going to give you the ability to really go the distance. That's a huge plus. The tires on this thing are not going to drain the battery like they do with the Rad Rover. I can go twice as far on my Rad Runner as I can the Rad Rover, and that's all because of the tire size. So another thing to keep in mind, guys, if you want to get an e-bike and be able to go farther, well, then this might be the right choice for you. If you guys have any questions about this bike, don't hesitate to ask. I always read your comments and I try to get back to you as soon as possible. I just want to help you guys out because I love riding my bike, and I know you guys will too as soon as you get one. If you like the designs you see behind me, there are shirt designs that I've created that you can buy on Teespring. I will put a link in the description. You guys be sure to check them out, and I'll put a sale up for this next couple of months because it's after the holidays. It's 2021. I want to help you guys out. So yeah, we're gonna have a sale on these shirts, and again, don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comments section. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe for more. I'll see you later.